dictation starts, legality, propriety, and correctness of the impugned judgment and order of conviction passed by the learned JMFC and upheld by the additional sessions judge has been impugned by the applicant by invoking the revisional jurisdiction of this court. Para. A few facts German for the decision of the petition can be summarized thus. Para. On 14/8/2010 at about 14:10 hours, the applicant was driving a Tata Sumo Jeep bearing registration number from Honda to Pisserlem. He was driving in a rash and negligent manner on a straight road. When he reached at Bhakti Nagar, he violently dashed against the injured PW3, who was walking on the Kacha road. The dash resulted into grievous injuries to the victim. It is the case of the prosecution that the applicant drove his jeep towards wrong side, that is, to the extreme right side of the road, and dashed the victim. The offending vehicle thereafter fell in the adjoining field after dashing against a tree. Para. The investigating officer rushed to the spot. He completed the investigation by drawing a spot panchanama, recording the statement of the witness, including a few eyewitnesses. The injured was referred for medical examination. The offending vehicle was inspected by the road transport officer. After the investigation, a charge sheet was filed in the court of JMFC under section 279,337,338 IPC. Para. The learned magistrate, after recording the plea of the applicant and after having gone through the evidence of the prosecution witnesses, convicted and sentenced the applicant to undergo simple imprisonment for 2 months of the offence punishable under section 279 of IPC. Inter alia, payment of fine of ₹1,000 and in default to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 month and to undergo simple imprisonment for 3 months of the offence punishable under section 338 of IPC. Inter alia, payment of fine of ₹1,000 and in default simple imprisonment for 1 month. The sentence were directed to run concurrently. Para. The learned additional session judge in an appeal number 79/2012 maintained the judgment and order of conviction by dismissing the appeal on 10/11/2014. Para. The learned counsel for the applicant took me through the evidence of the prosecution witnesses as well as the impugned judgment. It is vehemently urged that it was the victim who was responsible for the said accident as he suddenly tried to cross the road. According to the learned counsel, the applicant was driving the offending vehicle cautiously from the left side of the road. Over. Thank you.